Okay, so in order to fix the X3, you have to take off the middle part, which is the sides. This middle where the cup holder is. I took both of my seats out just to get right to it, but you don't have to take both of your seats out. But if I was you, you know, if you like me, want everything free, boom. And this is the middle part I was talking about. As you see, it's like 1, 2, 3, about 4 or 5 screws. You take those out, then you have these 2 back there you pop out, and it lets you get right to the bottom of it down there. Your shifter cable looks like this. Well, mine's look like this. This is how mine's look. This is the old one. This is the old one I took out. And you just have to run it. So I would say, before taking it off, I would run it on the long side. I don't know if you guys can see, but it runs in there, in the back of there. And that's when it comes out here onto the shifter. Like I say, you would run it from back there to up here. You guys can see back there. It's a little work. You gotta fight with it a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. You see mine is a little dirty. I be riding. Had this since 2020 and never changed the shifter. So yeah, 13 millimeter, 19, and 19 wrench, and yeah. Gonna put it back together and get right back to you guys, show y'all how we fix it. And that is how you put it all back together. Yep, shifter working properly. Yep. Yes, sir. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe. Don't feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Peace.